Seumas McCombie, and I'm the inventor of the original Jimmy Jig technology. Carpenter, joiner, cabinet maker to trade. Original Jimmy Jig is a patented, apertured, sliding table saw support platform. 12.5 square feet in area, weighs in at about 25 pounds. With a fixed or stationary fence attached at either end with lefties in mind, parallel and square to any cutting tool or blade. The only tried and tested innovative fence system that cannot deflect or yaw. Attached in a way that extends the clamping area on the front edge. The unique aperture of the Jimmy Jig will take other cutting tools attached to a spare insert, router or jigsaw. Compare the area required for the Jimmy Jig sliding support platform to cut sheet material to 4 feet on center of the cut in relation to a shop setup with permanently mounted outfeed and side tables. These setups are in no way portable, as is in the case of the original Jimmy Jig. The innovation with a benchtop model table saw and the outrigger is highly portable, ideal for shop or on-site work, quick setup, does not need to be perfectly level, works on rough ground as the support platform is always flat at any predetermined height off the floor. All safety aspects are adequately covered to prevent kickback with upfront placement of these devices, either on the fence or supported on the overhead rod, which is a preventative in itself as a deterrent to blade contact. The original Jimmy Jig, a simple solution to the table saw's shortcomings. The innovative stationary fence system, copied by many to the extent of a 25-inch cut, but never perfected. The Jimmy Jig was the original with the fixed or stationary fence. The table saw, the world's most popular woodworking machine, but still potentially the most dangerous to operate. Then there is the original Jimmy Jig, which is directed to retrofit the existing table saw technology and eliminates the fear factor. And a last reminder, there are over 38,000 table saw accidents yearly in North America, let alone the world. Thank you very much. The original Jimmy Jig. Patented apertured sliding table saw support platform. 12.5 square feet in area, weighs in at about 25 pounds with a fixed or stationary fence attached at either end with lefties in mind, parallel and square to any cutting blade or tool. The only tried and tested innovative fence system that cannot deflect or yaw. Attached in a way that extends the clamping area on the front edge. The unique aperture of the Jimmy Jig will take other cutting tools attached to a spare insert, for example router and jigsaw.